Welcome to our channel. Today we how to log into Xero, full guide step by step clearly. To begin, open your preferred web browser. In the address bar, type in the URL for Xero, www.xero.com. Press the Enter key to navigate to the site. Once the page loads, locate the Login button at the top right corner. Click on the Login button. You will be directed to the Login page. Here, you will see fields for your email and password. Enter the email associated with your Xero account. Next, enter your password in the designated field. If you would like to stay signed in on this device, check the box next to Remember Me. After filling in your details, click the Login button. If your credentials are correct, you will be taken to your Xero dashboard. In case you forget your password, click on the Forgot Your Password link. Follow the instructions provided to reset your password. Once you regain access, return to the login page to enter your updated credentials. For added security, Xero supports two-step authentication. If you have this set up, follow the prompts to verify your identity. After successful login, explore your dashboard to access financial management features. You are now logged into your Xero account and ready to get started. If the page does not load, refresh the browser or try again in a private or incognito window. Make sure you are using the correct email address, then retype it carefully to avoid small typos. If your password is not accepted, use the reset option and create a new strong password you can remember. Check your spam folder for verification or security emails, then complete any requested confirmation steps. Enable two-factor authentication if available to improve account security and reduce unauthorized access risk. After signing in, review your profile details so your contact information and settings are accurate and current. If you see an error message, note it down and try again after restarting your device and internet connection. Log out when you finish, especially on shared devices, to keep your account and payment information secure. If the page does not load, refresh the browser or try again in a private or incognito window. Make sure you are using the correct email address, then retype it carefully to avoid small typos. Don't forget to like this video and subscribe to our channel for more step-by-step tech guides.